What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best action cameras in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The DJI Action 2 is the best performing portable action camera of 2023. Its groundbreaking magnetic modification and mounting system make it easy to set up and take down, while its small, lightweight body makes it incredibly convenient to carry around. Weighing in at just 56 grams and measuring 39 by 39 by 22.3 millimeters, the Action 2 is much smaller and lighter than any hero-class GoPro on the market today, making it perfect for vloggers who are always on the go. The Action 2 comes with 32 gigabytes of internal memory storage, 70 minutes of recording time in 1080p video resolution, water resistance up to 10 meters deep, dust-proof design, and a Gorilla Glass lens cover that makes it resistant to scratches and shocks. Plus, its one physical button near the top of the device allows for easy operation with a short press for recording tasks or long press for turning off on. Then there's the smartphone companion app Mimo, which connects devices quickly for more accurate control over settings, especially useful if you're serious about capturing every angle of your adventures in detail. For those who need even more features out of their camera setup, DJI offers 2 packages that come with additional modules. The Power Combo includes a power module, which extends the battery life to 180 minutes and adds a micro SD card slot, as well as a lanyard and USB-C cable, while the Dual Screen Combo provides a front-facing touchscreen module, which includes an OLED touchscreen, micro SD slot, 4 additional microphones, and even longer battery life of up to 160 minutes recording time. With these, you can enjoy even more convenience when shooting videos, whether that be hands-free or by attaching the camera onto various mounting points like helmets or bikes. At its core though, what sets this product apart from all other action cameras is its innovative magnetically modular design, something allowing for quick setup and takedown times within 4 or 5 seconds, so you never miss out on recording what matters most. With plenty of customization options available from DJI, as well as third-party manufacturers, users can essentially craft their own camera platforms based on specific needs or preferences, such as adding extra stabilization capabilities via add-ons or increased image sharpness through lens upgrades. If you're looking to save money while getting a product of decent quality, then the Akaso Brave 7 LE is the best budget action camera of 2023. Reminiscent of the DJI Osmo Action, this model features a spectacular front-facing color screen, as well as waterproofing without the need for a case. The H.265 H.264 video encoding and 4K at 30 frames per second with electronic stabilization (EIS) is also included. With 6 crystals in its lens compartment, this sports camera has an adjustable field of view between a maximum 170 degrees and minimum 70-degree field of view to make recording personal videos easy and intuitive. Plus, there's a 2-inch IPS touchscreen on the back, although brightness isn't adjustable, along with 2 buttons at the top for on-off and switching between screens functions. Underneath it all is where you'll find the battery compartment and micro SD card slot that can hold up to 128 gigabyte cards, which wasn't previously allowed in many models from this brand. Autonomy time can range from 50 to 65 minutes in 4K video according to reviewers who tested it already. You can also connect this model via Wi-Fi up to 10 meters away or use it as a webcam. As far as results go, image stabilizer quality is good, but not as good as V50X, and when light decreases, it increases noise levels too. But don't worry, if you set your white balance correctly, then these issues should be minimized or even eliminated completely. This model also supports a variety of photo sizes, including 20 megapixel, 16 megapixel to 14 megapixel, 10, 8, 5, and 2 megapixel, so you can snap away with no problems whatsoever. Furthermore, with its variety of different adapters, you'll be able to mount your action camera onto almost any surface, allowing for creative angles that weren't possible before, meaning more awesome footage than ever. All in all though, considering its price tag, you simply can't beat it. The Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition is an amazing action camera that's packed with a ton of features. It has a unique modular design, allowing you to quickly swap out the lens from 4K boost to 360 without sacrificing image quality. The video resolution is also impressive, reaching up to 6016 by 2560 at 25 FPS, and the photo resolution can reach 8K. On top of that, it offers 13 shooting modes, ranging from star lapse for night sky photos, burst for capturing fast-moving objects, interval for taking multiple shots in succession, and night shot for low-light shooting. This powerful action camera also allows you to record higher-resolution videos with the 4K boost lens compared to its predecessor, enabling users to future-proof their content or open up more editing options without compromising on clarity. Moreover, the small size of the One RS makes it easy to carry around and convenient enough to throw into a bag, making it perfect for adventurers or for those who want high-quality visuals on the go. Additionally, its competitive price tag makes it accessible even to users on a tight budget. All in all, if you're looking for a powerful action camera that won't break the bank, the Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition is definitely worth checking out. The DJI Osmo Action 3 is the runner-up action camera on the market in 2023. It offers superior performance to its GoPro counterpart, with a range of features that make it an excellent choice for any user. From a purely stylistic point of view, this camera looks almost identical to its predecessor from a few years ago, but a closer inspection reveals numerous differences. One such difference is the magnetic unlocking system, which has been upgraded and now provides even more security than before. The dimensions of the device are 70.5 by 44.2 by 32.8 millimeters, and the weight is 145 grams, putting it at an advantage compared to many other cameras in terms of portability and convenience. The package includes additional items such as a protective frame from the camera, a selfie stick that extends up to 1.5 meters, 2 lens protectors for maximum protection, an adhesive adapter for attaching the action camera, 2 adapters for connecting accessories to GoPro mounts, 3 batteries which can be charged simultaneously, and an external housing designed especially for this purpose. 2 touchable screens, one rear and one front, give users control over all the functions of this device without having to turn it around or only use the larger black screen, making it ideal for vloggers who may be recording in difficult positions or locations. The rear screen measures 2.25 inches, while the front stands at 1.4 inches, and both boast high brightness, 750 nits, as well as a sensitive touch panel that responds quickly when interacted with. The photo sensor featured on this product is a 1.7-inch f2.8 CMOS with 155-degree field view and focus range 0 to 3 millimeter infinity, taking 12 megapixel images when activated, while video recording capabilities reach 4K at 120 FPS resolution in 16:9 or 4:3 ratios respectively, thanks to 3 different modes of electronic stabilization, including Rocksteady 3. Videos recorded by DJI Osmo Action 3 are clear and well stabilized, as well as being protected against unwanted motion blur due to windy conditions, etc., due to its advanced technology solutions being put into practice here. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Finally, we present to you the GoPro Hero11 Black, which in our opinion is the best overall action camera in 2023. The GoPro Hero11 Black is the perfect action camera for those looking for adventure. Its new image sensor captures a larger field of view with better image quality, better video stabilization, and the flexibility to turn your content into the best version for uploading to your social networks. It offers 5.3K video and 27 megapixel stills, plus Emmy award-winning hyper-smooth 5.0 stabilization and a dual LCD screen for framing shots. The GoPro Hero Black range of action cameras has enjoyed great popularity. It's one of those rare products that offers real appeal to photographers, adventurers, and sports enthusiasts. GoPro has made great strides with the GoPro Hero11 Black, especially when it comes to image quality and video stabilization. Open up the cover on its side and you have access to a battery slot, a micro SD card slot, and USB port, all within its small 1.14-inch display on its rubberized front, alongside 2.27-inch main touchscreen at its back. Unlike DJI Osmo Action 3's addition of touch sensitivity, it also boasts strong durability with water resistance up to 10 meters, making it an ideal companion for outdoor activities and/or underwater photography. GoPro has even included Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 connection options built into Plus compatibility with optional mods, Media Mod, Light Mod, Display Mod, adding additional functionalities, such as live streaming support via Facebook and YouTube, along with RTMP links directly connecting other supported devices, giving more customability options, all while boasting faster transfer speeds via USB-C connection support. In terms of further boost with battery life, which was previously weak point, Hero10 Black, they've included their newly developed Enduro battery technology, meaning shooting 18 minutes 4K at 120 FPS will drain no more than half. In terms of sensors, this latest version builds up upon 27 megapixel, complemented by one 1.9-inch size and 8:7 aspect ratio, having many advantages over traditional tech setups. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top action camera cases in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.